You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. Did you know that short bursts of stress can actually make you stronger and healthier? Let's dive into the magic of hormesis. So, what's hormesis? Think of it as the what doesn't kill you, makes you stronger effect at a cellular level. It's all about exposing yourself to small doses of stress to boost your health. Sounds weird, right? But here's the cool part. Your cells actually get stronger by dealing with these tiny stressors. Imagine doing short, intense workouts like high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Those quick bursts of all-out effort make your muscles crave oxygen, sparking more mitochondria production. Those are your cell's powerhouses. Plus, it activates fast-twitch muscles which can help you live longer. You don't need extreme measures like cryotherapy. Just mix challenging workouts with restorative ones like yoga. It's like giving your cells a mini spa and boot camp all in one. 6 ways to strategically stress your body and reap the health benefits. Don't worry, you don't have to go on a multi-day fast or start doing cryotherapy. There are a bunch of small, sustainable habit changes that can help you reap the benefits of hormesis. 1. Do workouts that challenge you. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, characterized by intermittent bursts of all-out effort for about 30 seconds followed by 15 seconds of rest, is one of the most efficient ways to experience hormesis. During these intense bursts, your muscles are briefly starved for oxygen, hypoxia, which stimulates the production of mitochondria. You're also activating fast-twitch muscles, which may be beneficial for longevity. Any exercise that challenges you, whether it's an intense spin class or a boxing workout, is also a good choice, says Makyoki. Keep yourself balanced by alternating them with slower, restorative workouts like yoga and muscle-building workouts like strength training. Mind Body Green, a daily dose of well-being in your inbox. Get the Long Game newsletter featuring the latest discoveries in health and well-being. 2. Incorporate breathwork into your routine. While we need more research to flesh out the perks, holding your breath for as long as is comfortable from time to time may be a good way to experience intermittent hypoxia and improve lung capacity, says Roundtree. You can do this when you're sitting at your desk or lying in bed. For a more subtle approach, you can try box breathing, which involves inhaling through your nose for 4 seconds, holding it for 4 seconds, exhaling through your mouth for 4 seconds, then holding the exhalation for another 4 seconds. 3. Get out of your temperature comfort zone. Saunas, hot baths, working out on a warm day, or even taking a hot yoga class are all ways to reap the benefits of heat. Sauna use, specifically, has been associated with reduced all-cause mortality risk too. And periodic heat exposure, in general, can boost the expression of heat shock proteins in the body, which may help strengthen the immune system and promote longevity. Ice baths, cold showers, or even spending time outside when it's cold can be beneficial too. Regular cold exposure has been shown to boost levels of certain immune cells, including cytotoxic T cells, which play a role in killing virally infected cells and cancer cells, and it can significantly boost the lifespan of certain animals. Both heat and cold exposure have also been associated with mitochondrial biogenesis. Advertisement. This ad is displayed using third-party content, and we do not control its accessibility features. 4. Eat lots of colorful plant foods. Even phytonutrient-rich plant foods can activate your healthy hormetic stress response. The term for this is xenohormesis. The glucosinolates in broccoli sprouts, for example, are thought to activate beneficial phase 2 detoxification enzymes by way of the NRF2 pathway, says Roundtree. Other xenohormetic nutrients include curcumin from turmeric, resveratrol from berries and wine, allicin from garlic, quercetin from a variety of fruits and vegetables, and even green tea, says Roundtree. Typically, plants exposed to more stress in their environment will produce the highest levels of these beneficial compounds. A good general rule: look for bright colors. 5. Experiment with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting puts your body into a perceived state of stress due to temporary nutrient deprivation. Fasting inhibits a cellular process called mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin, thus triggering a cellular cleanup process known as autophagy, which may contribute to better cellular health and longevity. The type of fasting you choose depends on a variety of factors, but you don't necessarily have to do anything too intense to reap the benefits. Consider confining your eating to an 8 or 10-hour window, or try a fasting mimicking diet. 6. Engage in mentally stimulating and challenging activities. Learning new skills, engaging in challenging mental work, and having a lot on your plate can also constitute hormetic stress. We often equate psychological or mental stress with being bad, but according to Roundtree, these challenges can stimulate some of the same cellular pathways mentioned above, and even generate brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which promotes neuroplasticity. There's one big caveat though. In order for you to reap the benefits from psychological stress, you need to feel like the stressor is manageable and that you're in control. If you feel helpless, the stressor becomes toxic. Advertisement. This ad is displayed using third-party content, and we do not control its accessibility features. Beware, you can have too much of a good stressor. While you may be psyched to incorporate all of these hormetic stressors into your life, know that it's possible to overdo it. Certain things, like eating a colourful, nutrient-rich diet, are always a great idea. But before you engage in some of these more intense activities, such as intermittent fasting or HIIT, assess your current stress levels. We all have a certain capacity for stress, and some people have a smaller cup than others, says Makioki. When your stress cup is already overflowing, it may not be appropriate to then enter more acutely stressful hormetic situations. Hormesis should be a thing we do to future-proof us against stressful situations, and be done when we feel relaxed, not when our stress cup is already full. Consider taking it easy the week before your period too. This is when your estrogen levels experience a steep drop, which leads to cortisol sensitivity, our stress hormone, so your body is much more susceptible to the effects of additional stressors. Bottom line, Hormesis is proof that healthy stress does exist. Intermittent doses of hormetic stressors like cold exposure, intermittent fasting, and HIIT, exercise, can stimulate powerful cellular pathways that support overall health. These practices may help you become more resilient to life's physical and mental challenges, which is more important than ever. Let's unlock the power of Hormesis together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Whiz for more health tips and tricks.